In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Trello. This process will take just about 5 minutes and it's an excellent way to manage your tasks visually. Whether you're an experienced project manager or just getting started with task organization, Trello offers an intuitive interface for setting up and managing your Kanban boards. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Trello.com. Once there, find the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to log in using your preferred method. You can sign in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack account, or simply enter your email address and password if you've already registered. After logging in, you'll be on the Trello homepage. To start creating a new board, look at the header and click on Create, then select Create Board. Now here's where you can get a little creative. You need to give your new board a name. Think about what this board will represent. Is it for personal projects, team coordination, or perhaps for planning an event? Choose a name that captures its purpose clearly. Also, ensure you select the appropriate workspace to keep your boards organized. Now it's time to build the heart of your Kanban board, the lists. Lists represent the various stages of your workflow, like to do, doing, there, and done. Start by creating these lists on your board. You can always add more lists specific to your needs. For instance, if you're managing a more complex project, you might have stages like planning, awaiting review, or completed. Just click add another list to continue expanding your board. Once your lists are set up, it's time to populate them with your tasks. These tasks are represented as cards within each list. Click on add a card under each list to start inputting your tasks. Think of these cards as digital sticky notes you can move around as your tasks progress through different stages. Each card can hold a wealth of information. Open a card and you'll be able to add detailed descriptions, checklists, due dates, and even attach files. Utilizing these features allows for comprehensive task management, great for teams collaborating on projects. Cards also have labels that you can customize and use to categorize tasks by priority, department, or any other grouping that works for you. Finally, if you're new to Kanban or in a hurry, Trello offers a variety of pre-made Kanban templates. These templates can be found by clicking Create and then selecting Start with a Template. They're fully customizable, giving you a helpful starting point that you can tailor to fit your project's specific needs. And there you have it, your very own Kanban board in Trello. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool that helps you and your team keep track of tasks and maintain productivity. Happy organizing!